Are you looking to elevate your Salesforce record pages for special events and campaigns? Meet the event-specific branding feature of branding sets, designed for marketing managers who want to make a splash during key moments. Marketing managers need a way to temporarily adjust Salesforce record page colors to reflect ongoing campaigns and events. This feature increases user engagement and aligns with your marketing strategies. Imagine running a seasonal holiday campaign, like Christmas. You want to bring the festive spirit into your internal systems, especially on Salesforce Opportunity Object record pages. Let's see it in action for a Christmas campaign, but before that, add a text formula field to the Opportunity object. Apply the branding sets to the Opportunity record pages in the standard navigation app. Pay close attention to the placement of branding sets component and following for color configurations. Notice the component visibility filters of branding sets component. For this demo, we have used 24th and 25th of current month to apply the colors on the record page for standard navigation. Let's switch gears and explore how to apply branding sets in the console navigation app for Opportunity record pages. The color configuration and filters for the branding sets component are exactly the same as before, but this record page is specifically designed for the console app. Now that we have configured the branding sets for the Opportunity record pages, it's time to see them in action. Watch as the festive colors and filters bring the console navigation app to life, transforming the user experience. Before we wrap up, let's see what happens when the festive season is over. Our system is designed to automatically revert to the default settings without any administrative effort. As the festive season ends, the special branding settings will seamlessly transition back to the default configuration. With branding sets, you can bring your campaigns to life, boost team morale, and maintain brand consistency across Salesforce during special events. Transform your Salesforce record pages and drive engagement like never before.